What if I told you the reason you're constantly exhausted, why your workouts are draining instead of energizing, and why your drive seems to disappear by midweek isn't because you're weak, but because you're doing too much of the wrong things? This isn't about working harder. This is about training smarter. And if you want real stamina without burnout, this video is for you. Welcome to Healthy Tips for Men, where we cut through the noise and give you powerful, practical strategies to fuel your body and sharpen your mind. Let's break down the 3 biggest mistakes men make when trying to build stamina, and what you should do instead to feel stronger, last longer, and perform at your peak. 1. Stop overtraining. You've been told that pushing harder makes you better, but too much training with too little recovery is a fast track to fatigue, hormone imbalances, and mental burnout. Overtraining kills testosterone, slows muscle growth, and messes with your sleep. What to do instead? Train hard but recover harder. Stick to 3-5 focused sessions per week. Add active recovery days with walking, light stretching, or yoga. Your body needs time to rebuild. Respect that, and your energy will soar. 2. Stop ignoring sleep. You can't biohack your way around bad sleep. Sleep is your body's built-in performance booster. During deep sleep, your muscles repair, your brain resets, and your energy levels recharge. Your move: aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep. Shut down screens 60 minutes before bed. Make your bedroom dark, cool, and quiet. Sleep is not lazy, it's strategic. 3. Stop eating like a bodybuilder. Sure, protein builds muscle, but stamina needs more than that. If you're skipping carbs, ignoring healthy fats, or loading up on stimulants, you're draining your long-term fuel. Fix it. Eat clean, complex carbs like oats and quinoa. Fuel with healthy fats like olive oil and nuts. Drink water. Dehydration zaps endurance faster than anything. Energy is built from the inside out. Stamina isn't about going full throttle every day. It's about balance, recovery, and fueling your body with intention. Train smart, sleep deep, eat right. That's the formula for lasting energy and a body that won't burn out. If you're ready to upgrade your stamina without burning out, hit that like button and subscribe to Healthy Tips for Men. We're here to help you stay strong, stay sharp, and stay in the game long term.